Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial on the Udemy SketchUp 2025 Masterclass. So in this short tutorial and session, we will talk about how we can save our files very simple and easy. So saving is one of the simple works in 3D modeling or working with different softwares. So absolutely we have the shortcut which is Ctrl S. So I'm going to click on my model, Ctrl S, and in here I'm going to select my desktop, for example. I'm going to click on the new folder, Udemy SketchUp, like that. Open it again. And now we can save as a type, for example, SKP. And I'm going to rename it in here. The file name is test1 and press save. This file will be saved for me very simple. If I can save as it, for example, I can click on the save as, but you can see there is no changes. The reason is that after SketchUp 2023 or 2022, when you save your files, older versions can open it very simple and easy. So don't worry about it. If I want to click on the file option and click on the export 3D model, now I can export it in different type of formats and potentials. For example, on the 3ds Max format, or I don't know, DXF, DWG, FBX, KMZ, and it completely depends on you. For example, 3ds, DWG, DXF, DAE, and different formats like that. For example, you can save it on the DWG, but right now we don't have anything necessary for saving as the DWG and open it on the AutoCAD. And in the options, you can change the release points. For example, latest version of the AutoCAD, which compatible with the SketchUp export setting, faces, edges, dimensions, textures, materials, and some other things like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for your time. In the next sessions, we will talk about more about next steps. Thanks for your time and goodbye.